We have learned how to express two terminal expression by using this formula. Okay? Now we will learn how to express two terminal expression by using these two formula. Okay? See here. Example. I will explain with example. 8a cube minus 27b cube. 8a cube minus 27b cube. Now you see here. Now 8. It is cube here. You see here. What is here? Cube. Here is also cube. Now it can be. What sign is here? Minus or plus? Minus. Now this will be in this way. Now first you have to express this expression in this expression. You have to convert them into this form. Okay? You have to express them into this form. Then you can apply this formula. Got my point? So how to express these into this form? Very simple. A cube is already given, but 8 is given. 8 is the coefficient of a cube. So 8 also should be converted in the form of cube. So 8 can be written in the form of cube in which way? 2 cube. 2 cube is 8 or not? So it is 2a whole cube minus 27b cube can be written 3b whole cube. You must be very careful while using formula. What sign is here? That is very important. Minus is here. You have to express them in the form of this formula. Okay. Now this you have to assume as a. This you have to assume as b. Now it is a cube minus b cube. So a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b. A. It is a. A minus b. Okay. A minus b, you always use curly bracket for one step. For this step, you have to use curly bracket. Okay. Now, after that, what is there? Follow this pattern. I am telling you, you have to follow this pattern. A minus b, it is a, it is b. A minus b. Now a square. This is a or not? This whole is a. So a square means 2a square. It is a square. Plus ab. This is assumed as A, this is assumed as B. So it is AB. This is A. 2A is A into B. 3B is B. A square plus 2AB. After that, what is here? B square. Now this should be written in the form of B square. B square. Okay? Very simple. Now it has come in the form of product or not? Coming into converting any expression into form of product is called factorization. So it is already factorized now. So 2a square means 4a square. Try to understand. 2a square means 2a multiplied 2a. That is 2 to 4. A square. 4a square. Plus 3 to the 6 ab. Plus, now what is here? 3b whole square. 3b whole square means 3b multiplied 3b. 3, 3, 9. bb, b square. So 9b square. This is the factorization of this expression. So another one more example. 1 plus 27b cube. Another example I am taking here. You see here. 1 plus 27b cube. So again, now what was here? Minus. So we express this expression into this form. Now what sign is here now? Plus. Now this will be expressed into this form. Got my point? A cube plus b cube. Let me make them a cube plus b cube. So 1 can be written a cube. 1 cube equal to 1. So 1 can be written 1 cube plus 27b cube can be written 3b cube. Okay. Now it is now a cube plus b cube. This 1 should be assumed as a, 3b should be assumed as b. So it is a cube plus b cube. So a plus b. A means what? 1 plus b. B means what? 3b. A plus b. Now curly bracket. A square. A square means 1 square. A square minus. There is minus in formula. You cannot use sign yourself. You have to see what sign is there in the formula. The same sign you have to use. Minus. After that, AB. A is 1, B is 3B. Plus B square. B is 3B. B square means 3B whole square. 1 plus 3B. 1 plus 3B. 1 is 3B. So it is minus. Minus plus 3B whole square. 3B whole square is 9B square. This is how we convert this type of expression using this formula. Okay, I will just show you some big question. Okay, long term means long expression I will use here. Number 3. See here. A plus 2B whole cube plus 8C cube. So first of all, you always remember it is given in the form long form. Okay, this whole expression you have to assume as A. You have to take as A, and now this you have to write in the form of B cube. It is already given in the form of A cube. It is already given in the form of A cube. Okay, you don't have to touch this one. You don't have to play with this. Now you have to express this also in the form of B cube. 8C cube can be written 2C whole cube. 2C whole cube. Okay. Now this is whole you have to take as A. This whole you have to take as B. So it is now A cube. It is now B cube. You always remember. A cube means you will not get always A. The whole you have to take as A. Okay. This whole you have to take as B. Now it is A cube plus B cube. So in this form, it is arranged in this form or not? So A plus B. A. So it is already given in expression. You have to use curly bracket A. A. It is A plus. It is A. Your whole is A. This is B. 2C is B. A plus B. Understood? After that, what is there? A square. Curly bracket again start. What is there? A square. What is A here? A plus 2B is A. A plus 2B whole square. A square minus. After that, AB. A is this only. A plus 2B is A into B. B is 2C. Plus B cube. What is B? 2C is B. Oh, B square, not B cube. So it came in this form or not? You see here. It is A, it is B. A plus B, it is A plus B. Let me once match it. Okay. A square. This is A or not? So it is A square minus AB. This is A, this is B. AB plus B square. This is B. So it is B square. Came in that form? Okay. Now again you see here. A plus 2B, you can remove the bracket 2C. Now here, you see here. Again this can be expressed in the form of A plus B whole square. Got my point? This can be again expressed in the form of A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square. That is, you know, you have learnt already that formula. A plus B whole square. That is A square. I want to show you. A plus B whole square is A square plus 2AB plus B square. Or you can write A square plus B square plus 2AB. Got my point? Now you see here. A square plus 2AB. 2 from formula. This is A. It is B. 2AB. Plus B square. B is 2B. B square. A square plus 2AB plus B square in this form. Okay? After that minus. Now you have to multiply. By 2C you have to multiply A. 2AC plus minus. Minus 2 to the 4 BC. Are you understanding here or not? 2C square. That is 4C square. curly bracket close. Again you see here, it's a bit difficult, okay? Not so difficult, but you have to understand the pattern. A plus 2b, it is, you have got one factor, is already here. Now this whole will be the next factor, okay? A square is A square. A to the power 2 means A square. Now it is 2 to 4, 4ab plus 2b square is 4b square minus 2ac minus 4bc plus 4c square. This is the answer. Okay, this is how we express